How to pin OneDrive to quick access. Need quicker access to your OneDrive folder in File Explorer. Pinning it to quick access make it easily reachable with one click. Here's how to do it. First of all, open File Explorer from a taskbar or just by pressing Windows plus E. In the navigation pane on the left, scroll down until you see OneDrive folder listed. Click to highlight it. Now right-click on the OneDrive folder and select Pin to Quick Access right here. You will instantly see it appear under the Quick Access section at the top. And that's about it. Your OneDrive is now pinned for faster navigation. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.